Welcome. If you want to take control of your Instagram privacy and keep track of every change you've made, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to filter your Instagram account history, specifically by privacy updates, so you can quickly review all the tweaks you've made to your privacy settings. No more scrolling endlessly through every single change. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Tap on that to open up a list of options. Next, find and tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, from posts you've liked to changes you've made. Inside Your Activity, scroll down and tap on Account History. Here, you'll see a timeline of all the updates and changes you've made to your account over time. But if you're only interested in privacy-related changes, there's a quick way to filter out everything else. At the top of the account history page, you'll see a button labeled Filter by Updated Type. Tap on this option, and a list of filter categories will appear. From this list, select Privacy. This tells Instagram to show you only the updates related to your privacy settings. Once you've selected Privacy, tap on Apply. Instagram will now display a filtered history, showing only the privacy updates you've made. This makes it super easy to review when you change your account from public to private, adjusted story sharing, or updated who can see your posts. That's it. Just a few taps, and you have a clear view of your privacy changes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.